Hello everyone, this is Pinky Party Pony Pie, and today I will be reviewing two of the Shopkins vending machines. They each come with two exclusive Shopkins inside, and I will be opening them, showing them to you. These are not my first Shopkins. I have actually most of season 1. And I do have other Shopkins reviews coming up at some point here. So this is what the packaging looks like. If you hear noise in the background, I do have a lot of animals. So open. And then these are just little cardboard. They are very cute. You could keep them or get rid of them. It's up to you. Sorry, my dog, Summer, I guess wanted to be in the video. And you could choose to keep the plastic if you actually want them to stand up, but I am just going to use these tins as a way to just kind of put them in there and store them. And like with all Shopkins, they come with the Shopkin grocery list, shopping list rather, and it's just an empty tin. And let's take a closer look at the different exclusive Shopkins here. This should be, I think, a different version of Cheeky. Let me just double check. Yeah, Cheeky Chocolate, as you can see here. So an exclusive one that you can get in one of the tins. I grabbed both tins because I wanted to be able to have them all. And this one is pretzel, but just a different color. And this tin is the exact same. The only difference is that it comes with two other exclusive Shopkins. So this one right here is Cheesy Bee. And this one is Alpha Soup. So these are just the exclusives of ones that you can already get, but they're just different colors, which I like to collect all of the different colors. So yeah, just a quick review. With working a whole lot, it really is difficult for me to try and plan reviews, but I decided I had a little time today, so I could do a review. I kicked the camera a little bit, but there they are. Well, I will see you next time, everyone. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it if you want. Hopefully I can plan a regular schedule as to when I will post these reviews. For right now, I'm just doing them basically as I can do them, but I do plan on trying to make a set schedule. Well, I hope you have a great day, everyone. Bye.